Hey guys, it's Friday the 3rd, and I realised that I couldn't upload today. I didn't upload Thursday because my internet just wasn't working, so Wednesday's video has gone up today and then Thursday's one will go up as well on Thursday. I think I'm just confusing myself, but I realised I forgot to show you actually what I'd done, so I'm going to show you now. I'm just editing. Ben's mum is here downstairs with Fox. They're having their lunch. Probably should have made my bed before I start filming. But yeah, so this is now my room. Obviously it's always been my bedroom, but I love it. So Foxy's bed was obviously here, so that's gone. I've got my chair, my bed, my officey bit, deodorant, I've done my altar here, got one of my paintings there, I've got another one of my paintings here. My bathroom's all nice. I've got my fairy lights up. The kids are going to stay at Ben's tonight, or Ben's mum's. Foxy's back in here. He slept last night, the last 2 nights in here, completely by himself. Like, just slept. Like, amazing. Ari's room is all tidy. My bathroom is all tidy. And Blobbers is back in here. Her room is obviously not tidy because I tidied it, and then she says, fuck your tidying. Makes a mess. She doesn't obviously say fuck your tidying because she's 8 and she doesn't swear, but that's the vibe that I get off her. Yeah, so yeah, the kids are going to Ben's tonight. Not Ben's, his mum's, because Ben is living at his mum's, mum and dad's. So I'm picking the girls up from school and then driving them all to Tim and Jane's house, and then leaving them here, leaving them there. Then I'm coming back to Norwich and I'm getting my nails done at 5:30, which is going to be very tight for time because traffic is ridiculous. And then I don't know what I'm going to do tonight. Like, I don't know. I'm sure I'll think of something, but I may end up just going to bed at like 6 o'clock and sleeping until tomorrow night. Ben's going to bring them back to me tomorrow afternoon before dinner. Yeah. I'm tired. I did not sleep good. Despite the fact that Foxy is sleeping, I'm now like, I think I'm just more on edge because I'm worrying he's going to wake up. So I'm not. I've been very, very insomniac-y. I've had insomnia for like a week now. And haven't had it for a long time, so it's a bit weird. And the other day I was so tired, I felt like I was drunk. The next day I was like, well, I spoke to you obviously because I did the vlog, but when I was like, that was the insomnia. Well, yeah, I will show you my nails when I have them done. It's now 1 o'clock, so I just want to finish editing, get some videos up. Then I'm going to load my car with all the kids' stuff to take. I'm giving him stuff to leave there because I can't be bothered to pack a bag every week. I've said to Ben he needs to have the kids at least one night every weekend, just so then they can carry on having like a good relationship with him, because they haven't had an overnighter with him. He's been gone, what is it now, since the 30th of November, however long ago that was, and it's only been like a visit at a weekend, like a few hours at a weekend, and then like once in the week of an evening for a couple of hours, so it will do them good. So I don't know what their plan is tomorrow. I know they've got pizza for tea tonight, but yeah. Oh dear. You watch me up. My first night off of having children, the only time I've ever been away from the kids before is when I've been in hospital having another one, or when I've been in hospital having my surgery. I don't even think I stayed in hospital when I had my heart surgery. I think I was out the same day. So yeah, the only time, I've never been a night away from Fox, ever. The only night I've been away from Aria was to have Fox, and the only nights I've been away from Mika was to have Aria and Fox. So yeah, you watch my first night off and I'll just fucking spaff it away and just sleep. But yeah, we'll see. I'm going to try and plan some fun stuff. So I will talk to you later on when I've had my nails done, because they're like this at the moment. They're really short, and I'm getting some gel extensions with claws. Hey, it is 8:15. The kids are at Ben's mum's house. I'm just running a shower because I want to have a shower. I have my nails done. I love them so much. They're like super spiky. Excuse me. Matte black. Here you go, you can see them a bit better there. I went to Kim Wild Beauty in Taverham. Oh my god, she's just amazing. She was so fucking lovely. We got on really, really well. I booked in again for 3 weeks time, and I'm having my lashes done as well. I'm very excited. But I'm now just gonna have a shower, and then I'm gonna eat some toast and read a book, and then fall asleep at a reasonable hour. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow on my own. I might go and see my friend Kat. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, I'm going in the shower, and I will smell you tomorrow. Love you, bye.